Hello everyone, today in this lesson we are learning how to add s or es to the verbs. Okay, so this is a very important concept for us because if you are if you want to create new sentence in present simple tense, okay, so then you must need this concept. Okay, so let's learn this concept. So before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to understand when we use and when we add s or es to the verbs. Okay, so first of all, you know what, present tense, present simple. I think you know present simple tense. So present simple tense, in present simple tense we need s or es plus verbs. Okay, why? So you know this concept used for singular subjects. Singular subjects means he, she, it and other singular subjects. Okay, so these are singular pronouns. So when you create new sentence with singular subject in present simple tense, then you need to add s or es to the verbs. Okay, for example, like she eat, not she eat, wrong concept, she eats food. Okay, so this is right because we added s or es to the verbs, because here subject is singular. Okay, with singular subject we have to add s or es to the verbs in simple present tense. Okay, so here in this lesson I will share with you all concepts, all rules about how to add s or es end of the verbs. Okay, so first of all, adding s or es to the verbs of to the end of verbs depends on spelling and pronunciation rules in English. Okay, this is typically done in third person singular from the present tense. From the present tense, he, she, it. Okay, so let's see rules. So here are some rules. So let's understand these rules one by one. First of all, our first rule here: add s to most verbs. This is very common rule here. Okay, add s to most verbs. Okay, so simply add s to base verb. Base verb, you know, first form of verb. Base form of verb means first form of verb. You know, first form of verb always in singular form. Okay, so here, so you know, we do not use singular verb with singular subject. This is a subject verb agreement rule. Okay, so we need to make singular to singular verbs for singular subjects. Okay, so you know, base form of verb is a singular format, but we need to change singular to singular. For changing singular to singular, we have to add s or es to the end of the verbs. Okay, here, so work, you know, work is a verb. Okay, but it's a singular format. So if you want to change singular to singular, we need to add s or es end of the verbs. Okay, so here work, so work, we work make works, work to makes works. Okay, play to plays, run to runs. Okay, so these are singular verbs, or these all singular verbs. Okay, when we use a singular subject, then we have to add singular verbs, and when we use singular subject, then we need to add singular verbs. Okay, this is very common concept here. Next rule here, add es, add es to the verbs ending in sh, ch, s, x or z, or double s also. Okay, so when verbs ending in sh, ch, s, x, z, double s, then we have to add es end of the verbs. Okay, so here example, bus end with sh. Okay, so we have to add es end of the verbs, so it makes verses. Okay, catch ch here, so end of the ch, so it makes catches. Passes. Fixes. Okay, so fix, it makes fixes. Okay, next, third rule here, our third rule, add es to verbs ending in o. Okay, so add es to verbs ending in o. Example here, go end in o, so we need to add es. Do end in o, so we need to add es end of the verbs. Okay, so do, it makes does. Go, it makes goes. Okay, so goes or does, these verbs singular form, and go and do, these verbs in singular form. Okay, next, fourth rule here, change y to ies, for words ending in consonant plus y. Change y to ies verbs for ending verbs in consonant plus y. Okay, here if verbs end with consonant plus y, change y to ies and add es. Okay, so example, study, study end with consonant d and by. Okay, so end with consonant plus by, d consonant here and by, then we need to change by to I. Okay, we need to change by to I when consonant plus by here, end of the verbs. Okay, so study to studies. Okay, so study to studies, because we have changed by to I and plus es. Okay, next, cry, here consonant plus by, so we need to change by to I, so y to I, cry plus es, so it makes cries, cry to cries. Okay, next, assumptions here, if the verbs end in a vowel plus by, just add s. This is next assumptions here, and you also can say this is next rule and fifth rule. Okay, so example here, play, play, here play and here also play, so play end with vowel plus y, end with vowel a plus y. Okay, so if the verb end in a vowel plus y, just add s. Okay, so we just add s, it makes plays, play to plays. Stay end with vowel a plus y, stay, it makes stays. Oh, because we just add s, so stays, it becomes stays, plays. Okay, so now you understand when we use s or es end of the verbs. Okay, and how to add s or es to the verbs. Okay, so here are fourth rule mostly, and fifth rule also here. So guys, you understand how to add SOES, and when we use SOES, this is only concept for simple present tense. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt right now, so you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. So if you like this information, then like, share the video. Also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. See you in my next video very soon.